Is FHA a dirty word? Not at all. Let's talk about an FHA loan. FHA is a government-backed loan, meaning the government's involved with it and they're insuring that loan. Now here's the deal. On an FHA loan, most of the time it requires 3.5% down. FHA has always gone down to a 500 credit score. Now, there are lenders out there that won't go down to a 500. There are some lenders that don't go below 600. Some lenders even higher. It just depends on the lender that you're dealing with. But here are the facts. From a 500 credit score to a 579 credit score requires 10% down. From a 580 and above, it's 3.5% down. To give you an example, a $100,000 loan, 3.5% down, that's $3,500. It's a little bit easier to qualify because the guidelines are a little bit looser. It's a government-backed program, remember, and so they're helping more families get into homes. And it's not just for first-time home buyers. There are people that I've done business with for over 20 years that have bought multiple homes with FHA loans because they don't want to put down a whole bunch of money. FHA actually got really aggressive in the last 3 to 6 months because they want more loans. So they've loosened their guidelines on what's called the MI. Your MI is somewhat like the PMI for your conventional loans. Now it's more in line and it's more competitive. So we're seeing a lot more FHA loans. So no, it's not a dirty word. If you've got collections, if you've got charge-offs, chances are we can get around those with an FHA loan where other loans you can't. Doesn't mean it's just for people with bad credit. But here's the deal. If you don't have a 620 or above, you can't get a conventional loan. FHA keeps raising their price limits. For example, in my area, it's a $480,000 purchase. You can buy a home, a $480,000 purchase now with an FHA loan. So it's no longer just for your $100,000, $150,000 purchases. It's a great program to use. It just depends on what's important to you. If you like this kind of information, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, even ring that bell. Let's talk.